Before using the Elixir, what I didn't like about my skin was how dry it was, how bad my complexion was, my pigmentation. Since using the Fountain of Youth, what I've noticed is my skin is glowy, my complexion is clearer. I can use it every single day and feel fresh. I like to use the Elixir first thing in the morning. I'm really busy, so to be able to just put it on my skin and run out the door and feel really fresh and light and get my day started. The results I've seen with the Fountain of Youth are my pigmentation has become really clear and overall so much better. My uneven skin tone, it looks fresh now. I feel lighter and happier. My hydration levels are amazing. I feel 10 years younger. I find the Elixir a one-stop wonder. It replaces all of my serums and moisturizers and eye creams and neck creams. So yeah, I really love it. I recommend the Fountain of Youth for anyone wanting to look younger and for those wanting real results.